Hey guys, good morning. Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. Got a 2014 Chevy Silverado here. If you followed the channel at all, you've seen this truck before. We did a transmission, done some other things to it over time. Anyway, customer was coming home and pulling in the driveway, and all of a sudden, no power. Engine shut off, all the electrical in the dash went off, everything. It's totally dead. Got his jumper pack out, stuck it on the battery. Everything came back on and fired right up. Been fine since. Well, I happen to know of this issue. It's pretty common. 2014, 2018 Chevy GMCs. I'm not going to get into the whole step-by-step on this, but I will show you the issue. So, you have, this is your A-pillar. Of course, here, it's called A-pillar. And as you can see, I've removed the whole dash panel over the speakers. It just snaps up. It's got clips along this front edge and little slots. These A-pillars, they just snap out in two places. So you have to take the A-pillar covers off, and then you can take the dash cover off. So in each corner you have a tweeter, and underneath that tweeter is a ground. There's two grounds hooked to the ground stud, and they're notorious for corroding. They're known to be loose. They're known to have insulation trapped underneath them from the dash. On this one, I've already got the passenger side apart, and we'll go around there and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to zoom in. That's the pod, the hole where the speaker goes. That's your speaker plug. And there's your tweeter. It's got two 7mm headed screws. Well, if you look right there inside of that hole, you see that stud with the two wires on it. If you look real close, you can see that underwire is kind of corroded looking. And you can see, maybe I can point it out here. Right here, this insulation is kind of underneath that. So you can see it moves, it's soft. I haven't checked this for tightness. Yeah, it feels tight, but nonetheless, we'll go ahead and take this 10mm nut off, cut this insulation back, grind the paint off, clean these up, and then I like to put dielectric grease on them. But if these grounds are dirty, corroded, loose, not making good contact, you will lose power to the whole system in this vehicle. So, like I said, it's on each side. This happens to be the passenger side. You do want to be careful when you take your A-pillars off, because there's your airbags. But the clips, they just pop out of these holes. Well, this side's passenger side, so it has oh shit handles or grab handles. But everything's pretty straightforward. Just everything unsnaps or unbolts. Clean the grounds, put them back together. Shouldn't have an issue. This is, again, it's a common problem from 2014 to 2018. And put a little bit of dielectric grease over them after you're done so they won't corrode again. I live in Washington State here, so we get a lot of moisture. So, anyway guys, that's pretty much what I got for you today. And just wanted to show you that. I want to say thank you for your support for the channel. Last I looked, we're at 82 subscribers. We need 18 more, and then some lucky person's going to get that Stanley screwdriver set. So let's try to get that subscriber count up, guys. It really helps out the channel. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you. And like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for my notifications. That's about it. See ya.